Like new home in a mature area with trees, large corner lot, back alley access, and close to schools and downtown amenities. This home has been completely rebuilt down to the studs, everything including the appliances / window coverings / cabinets / countertops / railings / flooring / paint / ceilings / are like new. Gorgeous custom kitchen with lots of cabinets / buffet server / walk-in pantry / stainless appliances / island, and walks out to beautiful yard with large south-facing deck / LRG shed / fenced / landscape / strawberries and trees for shade. Main floor vaulted ceiling and wide plank laminate is an inviting living space plus entertaining kitchen. Upstairs suites, master bedroom with 2 LRG closets, 4 PC bathroom and another large bedroom. Third level hosts, large open family room, a huge bedroom and large above ground windows. Fourth level finished and HAS 3 PC